So hello students, today I have a very exciting video with me because we are going to talk about the salaries, perks and the opportunities one gets as a NABARD Grade A officer. So let's talk about this, but before that, to become a NABARD Grade A officer you need to crack this examination. For that, if you need decoded syllabus, if you need solve previous year paper or you need a working strategy, you can get all this in this guidebook. What you will have to do to download this comprehensive ultimate guidebook, you will just have to go in the description box and download this, right? So now coming to the salary, see, in simple word if I have to tell you, on same grades जो नाबार्ड होता है आरबीआई होता है उनके ऑफिसर की सैलरी इज वेरी कंपेरेबल, राइट? बट नाबार्ड में द एंट्री लेवल इज ग्रेड ए, आरबीआई में दैट इज ग्रेड बी. सो ऑफ कोर्स आरबीआई में जो एंट्री लेवल पे सैलरी होती है दैट इज हायर, बट येस, NABARD grade A officer you join as, after some time you will get promoted to grade B, there the salary become comparable. Now talking about the other thing कि actual salary क्या है, तो देखो there you will find the gross salary, you will find the net salary. Gross salary is something that you are supposed to get, net salary is something that you actually get after the deduction. So we'll be talking about each and everything. So first of all, coming to the gross salary. So gross salary में सबसे पहले there is base salary, right? So I'll be telling you all the values in approx amount. Okay, then talking about the DA, it is almost 24,500. If I talk about the other allowances that you get, so right, so वो DA से भी ज़्यादा होते हैं. DA itself is allowance, but here जो आपके allowances होते हैं that will be around 30,000. So here you can see, सबसे पहले आपकी base salary अच्छी होती है, then allowances you get are very higher, then DA is also good. All in all, if I talk about the gross income, you will see it will be around 99,000. So 1 lakh के बहुत करीब हो, but don't get too excited. आफ्टर इसके बाद आपके क्या होंगे, डिडक्शंस होंगे, राइट? अब डिडक्शन कौन से होते हैं? इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट ब्रॉडली जो बड़े डिडक्शन होते हैं, हियर यू विल सी, सबसे पहले एनपीएस है. नाउ एनपीएस, सी समबडी कैन से कि दिस इज अ डिडक्शन, बट अगेन this is something ultimately will come back to you, right? This is something like you are investing in your future. So nps, if you want to calculate it as a deduction you can, but ultimately it will come back to you, so you can already include it here. Then income tax, yes, this is something you will have to pay, इसमें तो कोई option नहीं है. So of course income tax will be there. Then there can be small deduction like medical के लिए जितने deduction होते हैं और monthly deduction, but इतनी ज़्यादा value नहीं होती, they are in bare hundreds. अगर आप इनका टोटल लोगे तो इट विल बी समथिंग लाइक 1500, राइट? अगर मैं टोटल डिडक्शन की बात करूं, दैट विल कम आउट टू बी 18,500. सो दिस कैन हेल्प यू गेट ग्रॉस सैलरी 99,000, डिडक्शन यू विल सी 18,500, नेट सैलरी दैट यू गेट इन योर हैंड, और आई वुड से अकाउंट में जो आपके शो होगी दैट विल बी 80,500 मंथली. नाउ दिस इज ओनली अबाउट द सैलरी. इसके अलावा भी ये तो आपको मिलेगा ही, इसके अलावा यू विल गेट एक्स्ट्रा मंथली अलाउंसेस. If I talk about those allowances, so there you will see petrol allowances will be there, right? So petrol allowances, if I talk about, they can be differing. Again, this amount is taken in approx. Why? Petrol के prices बढ़ रहे हैं, but this will be given to you according to the ongoing price of petrol and कितने लीटर आपको पेट्रोल मिलेगा. सो बेस में यू विल गेट 150 लीटर पेट्रोल. इन मेट्रो सिटीज 30 लीटर एक्स्ट्रा विल बी गिवन, सो 180 इट विल बी. इन मुंबई इट कैन बी 200 लीटर पर मंथ, राइट? ये पर मंथली आपको मिलेगा, दैट मीन्स हर मंथ आपके पास आएगा. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द हाउस होल्ड अलाउंसेज, देयर यू विल गेट 5,000 पर मंथ. इंटरनेट, न्यूज़पेपर, मोबाइल के लिए भी यू गेट अलाउंसेज. इसके अलावा ये तो दिस विल बी इन द मॉनेटरी वैल्यू, यू विल ऑल्सो गेट Sodexo coupon. These are the coupon that you can directly use to purchase something from canteens, big bazaar, like big stores, right? So you can use it there. Now इसके अलावा you will get maintenance का allowances. Now there is also HRA. See, this HRA I would say कि you shouldn't count. Simple reason being, NABARD में enough headquarters are there, so usually officer are granted the headquarters. Again, if somebody is there जिसमें कुछ reasons की वजह से due to lack of, or there might be some maintenance going on right now in the headquarters, in that case अगर उनको कुछ महीने तक अपने से अरेंज करना पड़े, इन दैट के HRA इज प्रोवाइडेड, राइट? सो दैट यू विल सी विल बी ऑलमोस्ट 25,000. इसके अलावा चिल्ड्रन एजुकेशन के लिए 7,000 यू गेट एक्स्ट्रा. नाउ दिस वीडियो स्पेशली बिकॉज वी हैव मेड दिस वीडियो before too, but this is again for the new people, right? Who were requesting कि मैम एक बार सैलरी दोबारा बता दो. I have also given them the link, but again, if you're something new, please refer to this and get motivated for your examination, right? कमिंग टू द एनुअल अलाउंसेस, देखो मंथली अलाउंसेस यू विल गेट, मंथली सैलरी आपको मिलेगी, उसके साथ यू विल ऑल्सो गेट मंथली अलाउंसेस. इसके अलावा ईयरली अलाउंसेस आर ऑल्सो गिवन, दैट आर एनुअल अलाउंसेस. सम आर गिवन ईयर टू ईयर, some are given after 2 year, 5 year, 6 year, 10 year, right? So let's also talk about this. So you will get book grant. Book grant, why? So that you can buy books and read them. Then medical on declaration, this will be only given on declaration, but yes, yearly you can get up to 13,000. Briefcase, although briefcase are not used yet, अब नहीं यूज होते हैं, बट स्टिल यू विल गेट द अलाउंसेस फॉर दिस. इसके अलावा फर्नीचर के लिए अलाउंसेस आर ऑल्सो गिवन, बट इट विल नॉट बी लाइक ना कि दिस विल बी गिवन कि यू फील लाइक कि ओके लिया नहीं है अभी तक. सो येस, देयर विल बी सम चेक्स और सो, बट अगेन 55,000 विल बी गिवन टू यू फॉर 5 year almost. So 2.7 lakh are given once in every 5 years. So right. Then if I talk about the spectacles allowances, so here 9,000 will be given. These are given in once every 2 year, right? If you have a spouse, in that case what happen, आपको separate मिलेंगे, आपके spouse को separate 9,000 मिलते हैं, but उसके लिए you will have to show bill. Most allowances के लिए आपको bill यहाँ नहीं pay करने होते. It is not like you show petrol bill, then they will give you petrol allowances. It is not like that. It will be granted to you, but yes, spectacles के लिए you will have to show the bill. If I talk about the LFC, this will be 15,000, but yes, it will be given for one person, it will be 15,000, and in every 2 year it will be given. Also, it is maximum given to 4. It can be like the people who are dependent on you. It can be your spouse, it can be your children, right? But maximum to maximum for 4 people it is given. So again, let's say you have your spouse, so this will also get multiplied by 2. Let's say here you will have children, or at least spouse, if it is, it will become 2, right? So you will be getting 30,000 here, you will be getting 18,000 for the spectacles, right? Total will come out to be, you will see almost 10 lakh, you will see the yearly allowances go. Now, if I talk about the total, so we have talked about the salary and the perks, right? So salary you will see 11 lakh per year you can get. Monthly allowances, if I talk about 7.5 lakh you can get per month. Annual allowances, if I talk about, it can be almost 1.7. These values are in approx. If I talk about the total CTC, that will be, you will see 20 to 22 lakh it can reach. And yes, the good news I'm going to give you in this video is this will be revised in August. Right, so you can see that there will be a good increase also, so it can also cross 27,000. So this will be a big news. So prepare well. When you will become this officer, you will get more than this, because there will be revision, right? Now this is basically about all the salary you get. Ab salary ke alawa, the perks that you get is, see, when you take the loan, you also get concession there. Almost her government job mein there's some concession provide for, same for the NABARD officer, the concession has been provided. If you're planning to build your own house, get some other loan, so you can avail this loan. Then family ke liye the amount, medical amount get reimbursed, right? So if any emergency is there, the NABARD will support you monetarily. Now these are more about the salary perk extra you get. Let's talk also about the opportunities. So if I talk about the opportunities, so first of all there are higher education. Now yes, there are, see, when we talk about the higher education, it is not like ki you are somebody completed your bachelor's, you join NABARD today and you go tomorrow and you say ki, okay, I want to complete my higher education. It is not like that. Rather, see, the terms and condition will be like, you need to fulfill at least probation period should be completed, and after that also you cannot be like you are in NABARD and you want to go for the research in, let's say, theoretical physics. It cannot be like that. The field that you are applying, the higher studies that you want to apply for, so there it need to be in some way. You need to show ki how it can benefit NABARD, right? It will not be like you are joining this job just to switch it. It shouldn't be like that. So higher study, if you're somebody who is into the study, this is a good opportunity. You can apply for higher study. Yes, of course, with some terms and condition through NABARD. Then see, NABARD mein this salary can also be increased without actual promotion. How? You can appear for JAB-CAB examination and accordingly your salary will be increased. You can get the certificate also of JAB-CAB, right? Now beside this, what happened? The training, if I talk about that, I forgot to add here. See, in training now, you can get the opportunity of getting trained with the very higher institute in India, like IITs, IIMs. There also you can get the opportunity with the state government. Like you name it, you can get the opportunity to get trained there if it opens. And yes, also the training in abroad. So yes, NABARD also get trained in the UN, WTO, in these kind of agencies. They also organize some trainings, and also officers even in grade A level, if they have good experience, if they present themselves, कि okay we are excited, and if they are able to deliver it. Right, the main demand is you get the opportunity, you show okay, okay, I can do this, I'm good at this. Yes, you can get more than one, even two, three, five opportunity to represent India itself at a international platform. Right, so these are all the salary perks and the opportunities you get as a NABARD grade A officer. And of course, nothing can compare the job balance, like work life balance, and the satisfaction because you are doing some actual work, right? So you get all these in NABARD organization when you use. So I hope this video will help you get motivated and prepare better for NABARD grade A. Right, so if you're somebody na, because notification is around the corner, it can be announced anytime. Exact time I cannot say it this will be that, because again when notification will be out, you will know, we will again make the video on that at that time. But for now, I hope this video will help you to get motivated and prepare better. Right, you focus on your examination. So if you're totally beginner, we also have two packages. So we have gold pack and silver pack. So if you're somebody interested in buying the course, you can check out the link. I'll shortly explain. In gold pack you will get complete coverage of phase 1, phase 2 and interview. Right, if I talk about the silver pack, you will get the complete coverage of the merit section, because unke marks will only help you to crack phase 1. So ESI ARD GA ka complete coverage you will get. Then for phase 2 and interview you will get complete guidance. So if you want to get the coupon on these, so what you will have to do, rather than going the website, I would recommend you कि description के link के through website पे जाओ, there you will get some coupon and off. Right, so that will be it. If you get any more questions, if you have any more confusion, so do let me know that in the comment section. Thank you so much. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel as well. Thank you so much. If you want to ask something, you can always call us, you can always mail us, and you can also check our website. So that will be it. Take care and all the best.